awesome. Hear 'em. There we go. Pretty close. Pretty close. Hey everyone, welcome back. And for those of you who haven't been here before, welcome. I'm back at Kimbrick. The weather's quite a bit different. It's -3 and it's gonna be an overnight low of -10. I'll put the Fahrenheit conversion down on the bottom if you really want it. Yeah, so maybe this time we're gonna be able to see the lake. We're gonna go check it out, maybe walk around a bit. But first things first, I need to set up my camp and then we go pay for the campsite. All right, I'll see you later. Check it out. Woo-hoo. Got the camp all set up. This is awesome. Got my awning up. Honestly, I don't need heat tonight, but I'm gonna use it anyways because I like being able to sleep without actually wearing like 90% of my clothes. And it's just whatever, it makes things a little bit more comfortable. I don't necessarily need it. I've done it before. It's not a big deal, but if I'm paying for power, I am definitely gonna utilize it. Why not? Fire pit's the fire pit over here is all good to go. So we're gonna be having a fire tonight for sure. There we go. Where is it? There it is. Fire pit. It's all cleaned out. Looks like someone's used it. I got bathrooms. Hopefully I don't regret my decision. There's a big light there. Last time I parked on the other side and that light shone right through my window all night long. So it was kind of a rough sleep. Other than that, burritos for supper tonight. So I'm kind of excited about that. I don't like refried beef much, so I'm just going to do it beef, some tomatoes, and some sauce. And they're going to be pretty basic, nothing major. And I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm not going to cook them on the fire. I'm just going to use my grill. It's no big deal. I have lots of propane. I just want to save my fire pit for having a fire. Or my firewood to have a fire. So, yeah. It's about that time. I need to pay for my campsite before someone gives me shit. So I'm gonna fill out my paperwork and then we're gonna go pay for the site. All right, have a good one. So we got the campsite paid for. So it's time to go check out the lake. Maybe this time we'll actually be able to see a little bit more other than the white abyss that we saw last time. So let's go check it out. I just need to close up my truck. Slide that over so it closes a little bit better. Key. Give it a lock, because there's only workers here, but still, you never know. I got stuff in here. All right, let's go check it out. This is awesome. This place is beautiful. Like, you can actually see some stuff this time around, but this lake is obviously huge. You can't see the other side, but mind you, there's a little bit of fog over in the distance, but for some reason I don't think you're going to be able to see the other side. I looked on Google. It's actually a pretty big lake. Look at that color. It's crazy. Yeah, this is awesome. Awesome, awesome. Yeah. I'm glad I came back here. I found a site that was a little bit plowed out. The other one was plowed out, but it had an occupied sign, but it didn't have an expiry date on it. So I don't really know what the deal was at. I didn't want to take the chance and risk getting kicked out. So yeah, yeah. I have nothing to say. This place is pretty awesome. I love it. I think I would like to see if me and my girlfriend want to come down here. It'd be, I think it'd be pretty cool. Yeah. Well, I think I'm gonna hang around here for a bit. I'm honestly over with winter so far. It's really limiting my adventures. I'm trying to find stuff that's not 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours from my house to go camp at, but it's tough. If I lived like closer north, I think I would have quite a bit more options, but down here it's slim pickings, unfortunately. So I am looking forward to May long weekend when everything starts opening back up and I can get back out in the backcountry. And yeah, it's gonna be good adventures this year, I think. I think I have a plan. I think I'm gonna do a week-long trip. Unfortunately, me and my girlfriend have no tentative plans, and I have 4 weeks holidays, so I think I'm probably gonna end up booking like a week, and I'm probably gonna do a big trip. Unfortunately, I wish my girlfriend could come with, but she might not be able to. It all depends. It would have been nice to go back to Victoria and see my mom, but that's definitely going to be a next year thing, and I'm hoping I'm going to have my rooftop tent probably by the time I'm ready to do some summer camping and stuff. So I'm hoping, crossing my fingers, positive energies. So yeah. All right, I'm going to see you back at the campsite. I'm just going to hang out for a bit. All right, I'll see you later. Hey everyone. Well, it is about that time. Yeah, baby. This is Coffee or Death. The Growly Beer Company. Not too sure where this is brewed. Oh, Edmonton. I've had one coffee beer. Valley out of Drumheller makes a really good coffee beer. Another one of the ones that I got given to me by my Secret Santa. This is pretty awesome. Hopefully it's good. Let's see. It's actually not that bad. Keep it cold. These kind of beers always want to be super cold. Not anything. Not warm, not lukewarm. They have to be cold. That and sour beers, or they just don't taste good. Well, I'm losing light, so I'm gonna cook supper right away here. yeah, some burritos. So hopefully they'll be okay. You never know. I think I'm gonna heat this up. There we go. Cater up. Yeah, I'm kind of glad I came back to this place. Yeah, I'm really glad I came back to this place. Looking out onto that frozen lake. Woohoo! It's kind of cool looking. Yeah. Hopefully that light right there doesn't bug me too much tonight. I don't think it will because my truck's facing the other way. So, all right. Yeah. But anyways, if you like these videos, smash the like button. Leave me a comment. It'd be awesome. I love hearing from you. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and if you want to support me, I have Patreon and I have merch. I don't have any merch myself yet. I need to pick up some samples. Unfortunately, it's winter. You don't see them anyway, so very soon I have merch. I have a merch store. Go check them out. That's awesome. So I'm going to start making supper, and I'll see you in a bit. Well, I don't know. I think those might be a little bit too big, but I don't care. I probably got 15 minutes, maybe? I know. I'm using my hands, but it'll be fine. I just want to brown this up a little bit. Sour cream, salsa. These tomatoes are way too big. Don't worry, I'll be throwing away all this stuff when I get home. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. All right, I'm gonna eat this up. I'm gonna clean up and then I'm gonna make a fire. I'll see you later. Hey everyone, I'm all done supper. They were exactly what I wanted. They were good. Pretty easy. You know, I forgot to put the cheese on. I brought cheese. Didn't put it on. Oops, totally forgot. But anyways, I kind of shit the bed a little bit. There's an awesome sunset on the lake. Man, that would have been awesome just hanging out there, but I make food in the light or sunset. I don't know. One of these days, maybe I'll bring a plan B for something to eat, like a sandwich, if something like that happens. But it was pretty awesome. Well, I'm just gonna have a fire for a bit before I run out of some sunlight, and then I'm gonna hop in the back of the truck. Probably watch a movie. I think I'm gonna watch American Gangster with Denzel Washington and Russell Crowe. I've seen that movie a lot, but honestly, I haven't seen it in a while, so I'm kind of down for a gangster movie tonight, so it's gonna be awesome. Temperature's dropping a bit. It's, what is it? I would say probably -5. It says -3, but I'm going to say it's probably a little bit more than that. But anyways, so I'm going to hang out for a bit longer and enjoy this fire, and then I will see you when we get into the truck. All right? Have a good one. Had to go grab my knife. There's some Yotes pretty damn close, so if they come near me, they're getting it. Don't know if you can hear them. There we go. Pretty close. Pretty close. It's hard to tell how far away they are, but it's so cool actually, but I ain't taking any flipping chances. I ain't taking any chances. Right, I'm gonna finish up this fire. It's getting pretty dark now, as you can see. And hello, coyotes. There's a few of them. There's a few of them. All right, I gotta keep my eyeballs open. They're pretty close, a little too close for my liking, but I don't think they're gonna come over here unless they're that hungry, but very highly doubt it. All right, I'll see you later. Hey everyone, I'm in the back of the truck. Man, those coyotes, flipping loud. I don't think I've ever heard coyotes that close before in my life. And funny thing is, they were yipping for about 20 minutes, and then boom, it was like they weren't even there. It was like quiet. I was like, what the heck? But anyways, I'm gonna watch a movie. American Gangster has my 2 favorite actors in it. And I will see you in the morning. All right, have a good one. Ooh. Good morning, everyone. Slept pretty good. Looks like it's foggy outside. So, alright, I should get my butt up. Yeah. I think, what's the temperature out there right now? Oh yeah, minus 12. Minus 12. I'm gonna get up. I want to make a coffee. And then, I'll see you in the truck. Well, took me a minute to get that awning away, unfortunately, so I'm out of here. So that was fun. At least we got to see that lake. So I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.